As part of our company's Be Fit theme this year, we are developing a series of quick-hit fit tip and business fitness videos. These have two components, a general fit tip and a correlating business fit tip. This theme highlights the foundation principles of good business practices by using general physical and mental fit tips to illustrate the points. Here's today's fit tip.
Hi there. So I'm just chatting here a little bit about meal prep and what I do for my work week ahead. I do this Sunday evenings. I have all my snacks and meals prepped for the whole week so that I'm not going to work and I'm not spending money downtown that doesn't serve me, so that I'm fueled and energized for the day for myself, my employees, my clients, feeling good all day long. And also for my home time, my home life, so that I have other things I can do and I don't have to come home and focus on cooking big meals and healthier choices. So try it.
Business fit tip number 2. Be proactive and pre-plan your key client or account management activities so you have a schedule. In the same way weekly meal prep saves you time, money, and frustration, pre-planning when you'll complete key activities increases the likelihood you'll meet those goals. This in turn frees you from the cycle of uncertainty and boosts your productivity and confidence. At the start and end of every week, ask yourself, am I showing up prepared and knowledgeable and proactively completing key activities that will smooth the way to a more productive week? Do you have a business fit tip you'd like to see in our video series? Contact us and let us know.